Welcome to Woodcut Tech, the channel where we explore the most powerful and impressive woodcutting technologies. Today, we'll take a look at the massive machines that are making incredible feats in the wood industry. Let's dive in and discover some fascinating insights right now. A brilliant homemade machine, combining a Branchester screwdriver and a circular saw, forms a beast that runs as smoothly as a dream. Each log is sliced cleanly, with a clockwork rhythm, powerful yet precise. More than just mechanical strength, it's a true work of art in motion. Watching each perfect cut feels like witnessing magic unfold. It's a living testament to incredible creativity and talent. Truly, a masterpiece of mechanical genius in action. A true monster shredder, powerful enough to crush everything from cold hard wrenches to the toughest materials. With a deafening roar and overwhelming force, it pulverizes the hardest objects into dust within seconds. Nothing can withstand the spinning blades tearing through with unstoppable fury. Watching wrenches and solid metal crumble like paper is like witnessing a mechanical storm unleashed. This isn't just a machine. It's a true destruction powerhouse, born to dominate. This is forest efficiency redefined. The MAN TGA 41.480, armed with a collar-woody 16-rope crane, doesn't just lift, cut, and stack. It dominates the woods with surgical precision. Engineered by Wechselberger Forestry and Humpy Wood Trade, this mobile logging beast packs raw German power into every move. One machine, one operator, replacing an entire crew with unstoppable efficiency. It's not just logging, it's a symphony of strength, speed, and innovation roaring through the forest. The RSBM stump cutter, an earth-shattering force from the ground up. With a crushing force of up to 35 tons, it pulverizes stubborn tree stumps up to 900 millimeters in diameter in seconds. Tough roots and stumps are transformed into fine soil, ready for farming or construction. No more manual digging, no wasted time. The RSBM is the ultimate solution for agriculture and construction. Witness the power of this iron jaw in action. Unbelievable. This beast doesn't just chip away, it devours. Watching it shred a 200mm log in seconds is like witnessing pure destruction. With a high-efficiency PTO system delivering massive torque, this machine was built to dominate land clearing. Now that's what I call serious muscle. You just watched a machine that crushes all limits. If you are also high with this terrible power, give one like and comment your feelings below. Before you can even blink, the bark is stripped clean, all thanks to this brilliantly homemade log debarker. With just a few simple gears and remarkable creativity, it easily outperforms any flashy design. Efficient, powerful, and absolutely impressive. A true testament to the power of practicality. It's impossible not to be amazed. Who needs a giant chipper when this compact branch crusher handles roots and debris like a seasoned warrior? With a firm grip and an unstoppable feed, it turns chaos into fine mulch in just seconds. When raw steel clashes with pure power, victory is inevitable. When it comes to raw power, nothing beats the Advantage 3 Stevens drum chipper. Armed with a brutal 755 horsepower engine and a massive 36-inch feed opening, this beast devours entire trees without breaking a sweat. Built for non-stop, heavy-duty action, it chews through trunks and branches like they're nothing. Full tree processing power means no delay, no mercy, just mountains of chips in minutes. If you're looking for relentless performance, this monster delivers, every single time. Incredible. This homemade machine not only splits logs, but also cuts branches up to 3 inches thick, a truly clever design. It's an amazing time saver for anyone working with firewood or clearing brush. The power of creativity and efficiency. One can't help but be impressed by such a highly resourceful project. How much effort and time went into creating this unique machine?
Do poprawki.
This giant rock crusher is truly a mechanical beast. Even after years of operation with worn jaws and aged steel, it still crushes hard stone as if it were just clay. The roaring sound, the intense pressure, it all creates a spectacular display of raw power. But is there any modern technology today that can match it? Modern crushers may be more sophisticated and efficient, but few can rival the brute force and durability of this legendary machine. A living testament to an era when steel and mechanics ruled. It's hard to believe watching a machine devour an entire tree like a snack. In Romania's forest back in 2017, the Ashelbuck Weber 84 shook the woods with what might be the fastest wood chipper ever seen. Powered by a monstrous 700 horsepower engine, it shredded massive logs into clean wood chips in just seconds. Fast, precise, and ruthless. The roaring sound, the blades spinning like a steel tornado, nothing could stand in its way. Watching it work feels like witnessing a steel beast awakened in the heart of nature. Truly a performance you can't take your eyes off. It's unbelievable to see a dense tree, roots and all, shredded like paper by this monstrous machine. The spiral blades spin furiously, crushing everything in their path with ruthless, brutal force. Still, if the crusher teeth were placed closer together, its destructive power would be even more terrifying. This isn't just machinery, it's a steel-born fury. This beast devours wood like it's been starving for a century. Equipped with a 550 horsepower Scania engine, it pulverizes massive branches in seconds. What was once a chaotic mess of limbs is quickly turned into neat wood chips. Its power and speed are simply mesmerizing. This is the ultimate machine for any professional wood processing job. Though its steel frame is weathered by time, this homemade wood splitter runs with the steady skill of an old craftsman. Slow, solid, and impressively sharp. No flashy parts, just raw mechanical power delivering clean, precise splits. A living testament to creativity, grit, and an unyielding DIY spirit. Rugged like it just rolled out of a scrapyard, this wood splitter runs with surprising smoothness. Slow but steady, it slices through logs effortlessly. No fuel wasted, no sweat shed, just pure, relentless efficiency. A true testament to limitless creativity. Amid roaring machines and powerful strikes, these women prove that working with wood isn't just a man's game. They master strength, precision, and unbreakable willpower to turn raw timber into masterpieces. This isn't just a job, it's a statement of resilience. Still think women don't belong in this field? Think again. Feeling proud of these silent warriors? Drop a comment below and help spread this incredible power. Looking for a powerful and versatile wood cutting solution? This 2-in-1 system that combines branch shredding and log splitting with just one PTO setup is the perfect answer. Its smart design maximizes tractor power, effortlessly handling even the largest logs. Whether it's tough hardwood or dense brush, the system operates smoothly and fuel efficiently. The ultimate flexible, practical DIY solution for farms and households.
Tired of playing lumberjack with your aching back? Dorntech revolutionizes firewood prep with 21 tons of splitting force, turning stubborn logs into obedient kindling in one effortless push. The ergonomic height-adjustable platform lets you work standing tall, finally, while the integrated winch wrestles monster logs for you. Imagine splitting wood without breaking a sweat or your spine. The DM4003 saw dances through century-old oak like a master sculptor. Each razor-sharp cut so clean you can hear the wood fibers sing. With 53.4 HP of relentless power and a vibration-free workbench, it transforms the toughest logs into perfectly uniform sections with almost magical ease. This isn't just machinery. It's a symphony of brute strength meeting Swiss watch precision. For true equipment connoisseurs, witnessing this operation is nothing short of industrial poetry in motion. Welcome to the Ultimate Destroyer, AIRT-800. With a terrifying 800 horsepower and razor-sharp carbide teeth, this machine crushes tree stumps into sawdust in a flash. No more struggling with chainsaws, no more tiring hours. Just one pedal push, the whole forest trembles. This is no ordinary machine. It is nature's wrath tamed in your hands. Leave a comment below if you are ready for this incredible display of power. The FH20R hydraulic claw roars to life, crushing the ancient tree's roots in its iron grip. Torque twists through the earth, ripping soil apart like a storm. The excavator's arm heaves the mangled stump skyward, roots dangling like torn veins. The ground trembles, ready for the next devastation. The Eschelbeck Biber 110 wood chipper is an absolute terror, a 750 horsepower beast with a gaping 47-inch maw that doesn't just eat logs, it devours oak trunks whole. Mounted on a heavy-duty truck chassis, this machine pulverizes 420 tons of timber in 10 hours flat, the equivalent of a small forest. Its engine roars like a wild animal, spewing sawdust like a blizzard. This isn't a wood chipper, it's a primal force that grinds everything in its path to oblivion. This isn't a log splitter, it's a steel predator hunting for timber. With devil-fang blades and lightning-fast strikes, it tears through the hardest oak like tissue paper. The engine snarls like a challenge, while each surgical-grade splitter strike sends chills down your spine. One wrong move and kiss your fingers goodbye. Crafted by mad geniuses, this machine proves the line between brilliance and recklessness is as thin as a saw blade. Admire from a distance. If you want to keep all your digits attached,